I believe got him reelected is the people knew that you could believe what he said. Well, that's a repressive.
Our country is strong.
How many people march if they go to?
We go forward to defend freedom.